To buy stocks on Robinhood, you need to start by downloading and installing the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. After your account is created and verified, you need to fund it by linking your bank account to the app. This will allow you to transfer money from your bank account to your Robinhood account, which you can then use to buy stocks. To buy stocks, navigate to the search tab in the app and type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Select the stock from the search results and click on it to view its details page. On this page, you can view the current price of the stock, its daily highs and lows, and other relevant information. To place an order, click on the trade button and select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specific price that you set. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and confirm your order. You will receive a confirmation message once your order is executed, and the stocks will be added to your portfolio. It is essential to do your research and set a budget before buying stocks. You should also consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Robinhood also offers educational resources and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. In addition to buying stocks, Robinhood also allows you to buy exchange-traded funds, options, and cryptocurrencies. The app is user-friendly and commission-free, making it a popular choice for beginner investors. Overall, buying stocks on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start building your investment portfolio and achieving your financial goals.